So, welcome back to another Random Hobby channel. Hindi tayo nakapagbukas for, I don't think, 1 or 2 days. Life got busy. Kahapon, pumunta rin kami ng Nuremberg. And doon, may Warhammer store. So, bumili tayo ng konting paints. And finally, yung kill team ng mga orcs, Breaka Boys and Tank Bastas. So let's open. 1 pack a day keeps the stress away. I can highly recommend yung Warhammer store sa Nuremberg. Actually, Folkfest din nila ngayon, this week. And maganda doon. Inkrise Infiltrator. Gustong gusto ko yung stuff ng Warhammer store doon. Napaka-nerdy niya. Geek. Isa siyang tech priestess. Dinasalan niya yung aking credit card or debit card para makapasok yung aking payment. Kalog din Brute Suit. Tamiyo's Safekeeping. Depth to Kami. Tales of Master Seshiro. Seshiro's Living Legacy. Goshintai of Lost Wisdom. Hidden Cruelty. Futuristic Operative. Kotose, The Silent Spider. Speaking of Spider-Man, September na. Match of Wretched Sorrow. Mountain. Hindi siya full art na Mountain. Tanong rin ako ng pre-order about sa Kill Team Tomb World. Actually, kaka-pre-order din natin kahapon. Hindi nga lang sa dati nating kinukuhanan kasi grabe, segundo. Ang bilis na ubos. Mental Modulation. Plasma Bolt. Pero at least nakasecure na tayo ng Kill Team Tomb World sa fantasyvelt.com or .eu. Forgot it. Starport Security, Decode Transmissions, Divert Disaster, ba? Samaton Torpedo, Simrip, Systems Override ulit, Umbral Collar Zealot, Mechan Navigator, Emissary Escort, okay, and foil